Good evening. My name's Drew with When Your Engine Blows. Today, you should be moderate forecasted at 77 degrees. Cooler temperatures tonight. Start thinking about turning on your air conditioning, folks. Over in traffic, looks like the Beltway is still jammed. We're not going to drive there. Don't cross the Bay Bridge. Stop buying the toilet paper. Stop buying the sanitizer. But I'm sorry. Today I have Elena with When Your Engine Blows.
With the quarantine epidemic, we're getting a lot of questions about where are we located, what is a long block, warranties, and how shipping works.
How does shipping?
We have some questions here from our viewers. We're going to talk about a few things like cores. We get a lot of questions about cores. Cue you.
Sorry. Now, if I were to be at my house or my shop maybe doesn't have a forklift, how will we get that product off the truck?
So we send by standard freight carrier. They all have lift gates. They'll be able to drop it right in your bay, parking lot, your foot, wherever you want it.
Now, is it possible to maybe, if I work on my own vehicle, to have it sent to my house?
It's absolutely possible. We will send it to your house. Residential deliveries, they suck. Yeah. You're going to pay money because we have to use a special truck. However, with residential,
$75 extra.
Oh yeah, right. Are you still filming?
Yep.
Oh, however, with residential deliveries, we do have to use a special truck, so costs may vary.
But we can certainly get an engine, a transmission, or anything that you guys have to offer to a home.
Oh, you absolutely can. Of course.
Okay, great. Now back to the engines. Hello?
As a standard, it's going to be block, heads, timing components, oil pump, and your gasket set to install.
Okay, so once I get that long block, and it may or may not have those components on the tinware that you speak of, what do I do? Do you provide gaskets with it? I mean,
I said gaskets to install.
Check that.
I'm being a dumb reporter, you understand?
Well, I'm sorry. Well, you would go to our website and look up the number for our warranty department because, as we mentioned, we include a gasket set.
I do believe you probably want a core in return, or can I keep the core? Or
No,
do I have to pay for that?
You can't.
How
keep
does
the
that
core.
work?
No, you can't keep the core. So we need the cores back, obviously, but unlike some of our competitors, we don't make you pay for them up front. However, it doesn't have to be back to us within those 15 days. You just have to get your appointment to get it picked up, scheduled within those 15 days.
Again, I will remind you we're live. But as far as the cores go, my core has a hole in it maybe, or a crack.
Well, really depending on how big the hole or the crack is, sometimes.
Again, we're live, Elena.
Oh, I'm sorry. It looks like there's a coronavirus patient outside of our window. Stuff. Anyway, in other news.
We're live?
Oh, right.
When the engine blows,
Sorry.
remember?
Yeah.
Yeah,
it
you
just
invited
blew.
me here.
Yeah, it just blew. Sorry.
I do have one more question, looks like here.
You sure do.
It looks like
You got 2 minutes.
When does your customer... Getting something here, hang on. So breaking from When Your Engine Blows, do you guys provide installers? Can we get the engine installed here, or do I take it to... How does that work?
Well, that's all the time we have today, folks.
Back to sports.